Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine today. Okay. So, my dear students, today we will deal with the seventh chapter, that is the wonder called sleep. Okay. This is from the supplementary reader, class 7th. Okay. So, let's come to the point now. Let's come to the lesson now. The wonder called sleep. Okay. The lesson name is the wonder called sleep. Sleep. What is sleep actually? It is a state of unconscious rest. Okay, it is the state of unconscious rest. That means here when we sleep we are not conscious of, okay, we are not conscious of anything. Okay, our mind doesn't know anything. That means we are unconscious. So let's see here next, what is the advantages of, what is the advantage of sleep? What are the advantages of sleep? It gives complete rest to our body and brain. It gives, when we sleep, it gives complete rest to our body and brain. Our body recovers from tiredness caused by the day's activities. We people work whole day, okay? So after working, when we get tired by sleeping, we get all right, okay? We cover, our body recovers everything, okay? As a result, we become alert and active, okay? As a result, we become alert and active. We people become, after sleeping, when we get up, we become alert and active again, okay? Let's see next point. What happens when we sleep? When we sleep, what happens? Our muscles get relaxed. After sleeping, when we get up, what happens? Our muscles get relaxed. Our heartbeat and the activities of the brain slow down, okay? Our heartbeats and the activities of the brain slow down. It starts working slowly when we sleep. Our temperature and blood pressure goes down, okay? Our temperature and blood pressure go down. They become normal, okay? Go down when we sleep. It is an activity of mind. So let's see next day, what is dream, okay? What is dream? We'll see what is dream. So it is an activity of mind, okay? It is an activity of mind. Dream is the activity of mind. When we sleep, we have a dream, and then we know that it is a activity of mind when we sleep, okay? It takes place when we are asleep. It takes place, dream takes place when we are sleeping. When we sleep, it takes place, okay? Now let's see importance of dream. What are the importance of dreams? It helps us to sleep through noise or other disturbances. Okay, so when we sleep, what happens? It helps us to sleep, okay, through noises or other disturbances, okay? It reveals much about one's problems, okay? Whenever we have problems, it reveals in the dream, okay? We come to know that when we have problems in our mind, it provides solution to those problems. Also it provides solution to those problems, okay? Whatever problems we have, it provides solution. Why is sleep called a wonder? Why is sleep called a wonder? Let's see here. It transports us to a new world. It transports us to the new world. Now we are in this world, and when we sleep, we are in the another world when we have dream, okay, in sleeping. It makes us to forget our worries and sorrows. While we sleep, what happens? We forget all the worries and sorrows, okay, and then we sleep, sound sleep, peacefully we sleep, okay. So this lesson is over. I hope you have understood, okay. Thank you so much.